know you heard by now the legend from the first season is back. The fact is it's a classic soon as I breathe on the track. You think I really care who you feel is leading the pack? I'm the reason you rap. Man, let's just leave it at that. They can follow in my footsteps, but what I do they can't though. For example, like how I switch it up in Canto. 我知你知邊個係大哥？我攞起支咪就等完美斯準備踢波。你所謂嘅 flow，oh no， 我聽得多，令我得啖笑。要改名做 Laughing 哥，我想學普通話，唔好囉囉嗦嗦，可以從零開始。Yo， 我剛剛不是忘詞，我只是為了 punchline， 就算忘詞我都忘得比你更